Hello, I'm Ryan Janejo, CEO of CrashLabs AI. Today I'd like to show you how easy it is to catch and fix critical failures before you ever ship an AI agent. Let me introduce you to Michael. He runs operations at Bright Smile Dental and uses an AI receptionist to book appointments, verify insurance, and reschedule patients. His biggest challenge? The unexpected. Things like a patient calling from a bad connection, speaking in broken English, or triggering a database timeout mid-call. These edge cases only show up after deployment, when it's already too late. Now Michael just made the V2 of his model, but he wants to make sure it's bulletproof. He needs a way to simulate those edge case scenarios ahead of time, and that's exactly what we built CrashLabs for. So here's Michael's agent system prompt. This prompt defines the agent's expected behavior, how it should greet patients, verify insurance, handle rescheduling, and so on. We've already dropped in the prompt. Now, CrashLabs builds a policy graph based on that prompt. Each node in this graph represents a specific policy, like confirm appointment or verify insurance, and each one is assigned a complexity score from 1 to 10, based on how difficult it is to execute. Edges connect policies that commonly appear together in real conversations. This gives us a structured map of what the agent is supposed to do and how complex those behaviors are. From that graph, we generate test events that simulate real-world situations across a range of complexities. So let's look at the event description for simulation 1. Over here, the patient contacts the clinic via chatbot requesting to schedule an appointment. The patient also prefers to communicate in Spanish. Now, according to our evaluator, the expected behavior is that the chatbot should respond in Spanish, since it's mentioned to do so in the policy document. However, in the actual interaction, the client agent apologizes and requests to switch to English. This violates the policy given as per our evaluator, and so it notices this and says the chatbot failed to listen to the policy. Thus, the interaction is graded as a fail. So now let's let the rest of the simulations run. We'll speed this part up over here. Now we get to the end, where we see Michael's chatbot's overall performance. It was able to pass the rest of the tests, but failed the first one. We're also able to see which policies were violated and recommendations for improvement. In just a matter of minutes, Michael was able to see where his bot was going wrong, as well as receive the feedback to fix it, all thanks to CrashLabs. Thank you for viewing our demo. We put this together in a week and we're just getting started. Let's build safer, smarter agents together.